waved back! Oh my god, the AA man waved back. They never normally wave back. Morning. Morning guys, how are we doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is an impromptu video. I wasn't going to film today, but it's Friday. I love Fridays. Friday's my special day. Everyone loves a Friday, don't they? I've still got me meningitis, my manthrax. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, but the reason I've actually just nipped home to get my camera is because I've also bought a new mount, so you will be back in the normal place, which is about here soon, very soon. At the minute, you're just gonna have to sit on the dashboard. Right, we've got a low car today. It's a Passat. Is it like an R36 or whatever? You know the Golf R32? Well, it's the Passat version of that. No problem. I can get lots of low stuff on the back of here. I've got lots of nice chunky bits of wood that I use. I've got wood. And I basically can manipulate the car however I need, all the way up the ramps till I get it on. That was right up until yesterday when somebody stole all the wood off the back of my truck. There's some lovely people around, so I've got no wood, can't get wood. So I put a post out. on the book of the face, and I was like, guys, before I go to the builders merchants to get some wood, or the timber merchants, has anybody got any scaffold boards or anything like that in there lying around? And I was inundated with people. Lovely people of Sleaford were like, mate, we'll help you out. Loads of people wanted to help out. Anyway, I've got some scaffold board coming tomorrow, and I've also got some decking board. Someone said they've just redone their decking and they've got loads left over, and I was welcome to it. So I'm going to their house first, grab some wood. There's a lot of innuendos in today's video, today's episode. So I'm going to go and get that, and then we'll go and try and get this Passat on the back. I thought this could be quite an interesting one, because all I'm going to have is these little bits of decking, and I don't know how long they are. They could be like 20 foot long, and I haven't got a saw or anything with me, so I don't know what's going to happen. And I like it when I don't know what's going to happen. So I was like, do you know what? You're coming with me, guys. Let's go and see how we get on. So we're nearly at the lady's house where we're picking up the decking. Hope you're all doing okay. We've got the giveaways coming soon. Don't forget that. The channel is growing. The subscribers are just going up massively, really quick. Loving it. Thank you very much for your support. Thanks for watching. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed though, come on man, do me a solid. Click that subscribe button. It makes all of the difference. Oh, there's an AA man. I'm looking forward to, he waved back. Oh my God, the AA man waved back. They never normally wave back. That's enough talking, it's time for some tunes. Well, we're at their house. I don't really want to film them. It's a bit harsh, isn't it? But right, let me go and get this decking. See you in a minute. Right, so I've got a piece of decking. It's about 15 foot long, and I've got no saw. But got to give a big shout out. What's your name, mate? Steve. It's Steve. Steve's a subscriber, and he just went, "Oh, it's Ben off Sleaford Recovery." So yeah, welcome to the channel, Steve. Take care, mate. Right, so yeah, I've now got something that's going to be pretty much no help to me, because I've got a piece of decking board, which is very lovely of it. I also woke her up. Oh Christ, it's not going well. But you don't want to watch everything go well all the time, do you? You want to watch me struggle. Well, it's nice to meet Steve. Morning, Steve. So yeah, basically I've now got one massive piece of decking and no saw to cut it up with to use. Decking wood is really strong because it's got the grooves in it. I find it doesn't break very easily. Although that motorhome I did up in Manchester, Oldham, that broke my last pieces of decking wood. Insert clip here. Oh, bloody motorhomes are a pain. Ben, who is me, but the guy who is also editing this video, is not going to thank me when I go, just go and find that clip, because I have to go through about a terabyte of videos to find these little clips. Right, we'll get to this car. Hopefully he's not going to be mad because, well, we're supposed to be there immediately and I've got 4 minutes to run. I hate being late, so I'm going to be 4 minutes late. Sorry, mate. And I don't even know if I'm going to get the bloody thing on the truck now because I haven't got all my little bits of wood. I think we're going to have to spend an afternoon. What I need to do is spend an afternoon on the trucks, sorting stuff out. I've got to sort that light out. I've got a wiring fault on Ronnie. I've got some bits to sort on Reggie. I need to start doing a bit of maintenance on them. Husbandry tasks, that's what they call it. Do you know that? It's husbandry. Right, I'll see you when we're at this Passat. Don't go anywhere. Don't you dare skip. I know that you skip. I know you skip. See you in a minute. Well, we're here. There's the car. There's the customer. Now we've got to try and get it on with one decking board. This on, I've got to show you this. What a stunning car. Alright. Now it's got a bit of a misfire, but it sounds incredible. Passat, it's an R36. I don't know a lot about vags, I'm not really that into them. But do you know what? That is a lovely car. Cold start on it. Did you hear that? It sounded bloody lovely. He said he was driving it down the A1 the other day and it developed a really bad misfire. He's done all the usual stuff, swapped the coil packs over, and the misfire's not changing. It stinks of fuel, it's probably an injector. So it's going into a place called Vag Auto Care, which sounds like they know their vags because they've got it in the title. So we'll take that down there for him. He's a subscriber as well. We were talking about Truck Fest. I said I don't really know whether to go. I still don't know. It's tomorrow and I haven't decided yet if I'm going. And he was like, oh, could you not take your V8 Transit? And I was like, well, it's not a V8 Transit anymore. It's currently in a million pieces in Charlie's unit. Watch his latest update, by the way, and you'll see how much he's doing. Unreal. What a craftsman that man is. Here's my favourite taxi driver. Here's Kev. Gotta give him a flash of the lights. I love Kev. Big shout out to Kev's Cabs of Sleaford. Picked me up many a time when I can't say my own name. He knows where I live, which is good. He's like, come on, Bev, get in the taxi. Yeah, so we'll just get it up there. I don't know if I'm going to. We got it on, didn't we? Ronnie was great. Woohoo, well done, Ronnie. But we were helped out a little bit by the angle of the road. So I'm hoping we're going to be able to get it off okay. But we'll work it out. Otherwise, I'll just have to keep it and keep it on the back of my truck forever. it's B-roll time, guys. Right, we're here. Beautiful car is here safely. I've noticed that there's a little bit of an upslope into that garage. So I'm going to use that, I think, to lift the front of my truck. So we'll put the front of Ronnie up to the door so that the back is lower, which will decrease our offloading angle. So we should be okay. Right, I'll go and speak to these guys, see what the sketch is, and then we'll get it offloaded. I'll tell you what, this is a lovely motor. It's a little bit poorly at the minute. A little bit poorly, but these guys, I'll tell you what, it's an impressive garage as well. Handbrakes there. Sounds beautiful. It's an impressive garage. I'll give you a quick tour. I said, could I show you guys his garage, because it's really impressive. I think that's an R32 on the ramps as well. Right, well, the R36 is safely delivered. It stinks of fuel. It's not as beautiful as Ronnie though. Is it? Look at that. Yeah, look at this. Smart garage, this. Decent R32 there, look. But if you ever need a VAG specialist in Lincoln, VAG Auto Care, there's your man. Right, I'll catch you when we're on the road. Right guys, that's that dropped off. So let's get the F out of here. Hello, Ben speaking. Hello, Ben speaking. Hello.
Hi. Sorry, I'm just I'm obviously needing a vehicle recovery in Sleaford if you're at all possible.
Right, sorry about that. It's another job. Yeah, so top tip for you, whether you've got a beaver tail or whatever you're using, if you're struggling, which seems to be a big thing, because I get called to people who other people have tried to load their cars and they can't get them on. If you're struggling to get a car on the back of your beaver tail, lift the front of your truck up. Even if you lift the front of your truck up by 2 inches, the rear of your truck goes down by probably 6 inches. It's all relative because of the overhang. So yeah, instead of trying to like change the angle at the back, lift the front up. So just by using the entrance into that guy's garage there, I was able to massively improve the loading angle and offloading angle of Ronnie. Top tip for you. Right guys, it's been amazing. Thank you for coming along. We've got 30 minutes to run now back to the yard, and possibly another recovery on Citroen DS3 with a cam position sensor, he said. He's scanned the faults. The only problem with that is it can also be an indicator that the cam belt has snapped. We shall see. Guys, it's been amazing. Thank you for coming. Take it easy, look after yourselves, much love, and I'll see you on the next one.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So